Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this particular video I will be showcasing you how you can insert a physical SIM in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This particular method will be used for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro as well. But before starting the video, do note that if you have the US variant of the iPhone 15 series, then definitely you will not able to use that particular method because the US variant will only use the eSIM, not the physical SIM. And you're moving on, the first step you will need in order to insert the SIM in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a SIM ejection tool. Normally this SIM ejection tool will be available in the box, but if you don't find it there, then a paper pin can be a good option for you. Now the second step is that you just need to locate the positioning of the SIM tray on the iPhone 15 series. You just need to insert the tip of the pin or the paper pin in that particular hole and you just need to press it. After pressing that, the SIM tray will pop out. You just need to take out that SIM tray, and after that the third step is coming in here. Now in third step you just need to align the SIM with the SIM tray. As you can see, there is a half cut in the SIM and in the SIM tray. You just need to align both of them as you can see in the video, just like that, and after that you just need to insert that particular SIM tray into its position. And yes, you done it. The SIM is going to be inserted in the iPhone 15 Pro Max in this way. You can use that particular method for the iPhone 15 series. And you guys, these are simple steps through which you can insert a SIM in the iPhone 15 series. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.